Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your chess.com account. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open the chess.com website. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you have reached this website, here you can see we are already logged into our website. So when you first open this chess.com account, you'll see this sort of interface, and over here you have to log in or sign up. So let's log in to our account and log in with your Google account. So once you have logged in, you'll see this sort of interface. So to delete your account, what you have to do is on the left hand side, on the bottom left, you can see settings option. What you have to do is click on the settings, and here you will be able to see these options over here, and what you have to do is scroll down until you see the option for manage account. Let's click on this manage account. So first what you have to do is confirm our identity. So here let's enter our email. Alright, so once you have confirmed our identity, you can see the option to close the account. So what you have to do is just click on close my account, select any reason and just click on close my account, and you'll be able to delete your chess.com account like this. So that is how you can delete your chess.com account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.